There's a verse that unfortunately the Ummah is finding it very difficult to practice. Wherever you go, Dewsbury, Huddersfield, Mecca, Medina, Mogadishu, Peking, China. And that's the statement of Allah Ta'ala in Surah Ali Imran, وَاعْتَسِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold on collectively to the rope of Allah and don't be divided. That ayat is telling everybody in this ummah, you have to make an effort not to divide yourself from the Muslims. And the division can only be based upon religious reasons why you're dividing. Husband is allowed to divide himself from his wife when they're having some disputes. She's not behaving correctly. But other than that, that husband has been commanded, you better stay with your wife and your family and take care of the situation. That's how we have to be. The Prophet said about this ayat, and this is the point. He said about this ayat, the rope of Allah, hold on collectively to the rope of Allah. He said, Al-Qur'an, Hablullah al-Mamdud min as-sama'i ila al-ard, tamassaku bihi. He said the Qur'an is the rope of Allah that extends from the heavens to the earth, so hold on to it. That's the tafsir of that ayat. So the Prophet said, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the rope of Allah in this ayat is the Qur'an. Hold on to it. I'm from America and I'm African American. That guy over there is from Mirpur. That guy over there is from India. That guy over there is a British, European white man reverted to this religion. That lady over there, she's from Burma. And the other one over there, she's from Somalia, and on and on and on. Our lives are totally diverse and in contrast. I am not going to be united with you guys, and you're not going to be united with me if it's about the dunya, my likes, your likes, my dislikes. We're not going to do it. It's this Qur'an that helps us to come together. So the point, benefit number one, the person who reads the Qur'an, studies the Qur'an, he's connecting himself to the rope of Allah Azza wa Jal, to the names and the attributes of his Lord, the information that his Lord wanted him to understand. So the Prophet said in a lot of hadith, Inni tarikum fikum amrayn lan tadillu ma tamassaktum bihima. I left you people two things, you'll never go astray as long as you hold on to them. The first one he mentioned was the book of Allah. He told the people, hold on to it. Hold on to it means study it, learn it, practice it, judge by it. And the second issue, in one hadith he said, by the sunnah. That's the first benefit, ikhwani, of studying the Qur'an, and that's the main goal and objective that the companions used to be upon.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.